Example 3, we're using the result from example 2. We're using a linear model for prediction. The linear model that we got from example 2 was C is equal to 1.62319x minus 2876.2. We're going to use the linear model given by equation 2 to estimate the average CO2 level for 1987 and to predict the level for the year of 2012. And then according to this model, when will the CO2 level exceed 400 parts per million? So we have 3 questions here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to first find out what would be the estimate for 1987. So we have C, which is equal to 1.62319, and then we're going to plug in 1987. And then subtract 2876.2 to give us approximately 349.08. And again, that's the average CO2 level. Now, in part 2, it's asking us to predict the level for the year of 2012. So again, very similar to the previous example here. So we have 1.62319. And we're substituting in the year 2012 to give us the result of approximately 389.66 average CO2 level for 2012. Now for part 3, it says that according to this model, when will the CO2 level exceed 400 parts per million? So exceed is the key word here, which is greater than. And so we're going to take the equation, which is 1.62319 minus 2876.2. And we're going to set that to be greater than 400. And then we solve the inequality for x. So let's solve the inequality. So if we add 2,876.2 to the right side, then we get 1.62319x, which is greater than, adding it to 400, which gives us 3,276.2. And then in order to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 1.62319. And so therefore, x is going to be greater than 2018.37. So what does that mean? What that means is that the CO2 level will exceed 400 parts per million by approximately 2018.